Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Gmail application, and after that click on the right upper corner. Here just select one from these features. Okay, after that just click here on the right upper corner, and now you can see that we're logged in into two accounts at the same time. Now just to log out from one from these accounts, probably you'll have only one account from here, but I'll show you just with the two, just to show you that we'll log out from the one from these accounts. So how we can do that? To log out from the Gmail account in our Gmail application, we should log out from Gmail account on our device. So how to do that? We should click here to the manage accounts on this device, and after that we'll see here these two accounts. Now just to log out, for example, from this account, click here and only click to remove account and confirm your action by click here to remove account again. And here in Google account settings we can see that we'll just stay only with one account, and when we'll go back again into the application and we'll check, we can see that we'll stay here only with one Gmail account. So we just by this way log out from the Google account on our device, and also we just log out from the Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.